Typing HTML manually is like washing clothes by hand. Slow, painful, and unnecessary. Instead of wasting time writing every tag and closing it, let me show you Emmet, the ultimate cheat code for HTML. You probably already know about the exclamation mark, which generates the full HTML boilerplate, and lorem, which generates placeholder text automatically. Super useful shortcuts. But did you know that combining these with 3 simple steps can save you tons of time when writing HTML? Step 1. Create simple elements and attributes. When writing HTML, you don't need to manually type the angle brackets anymore. Just type the element name. For example, button. Hit enter, and Emmet instantly creates both the opening and closing tags for you. This works for almost every element. You can also define text inside an element using curly braces. This will create a complete button element with "click me" between the tags. Some tags, like input or image, even come with default attributes built in. The most common attributes you'll probably use are classes and IDs. You can add a class to your element by simply typing a dot and then the name of your class. To add an ID to your element, use the hashtag. Also, you can just type a dot and it creates a div with that class. And for ID, use hashtag. All the other attributes require a pair of square brackets. Here you declare the attribute and its value manually. To add multiple attributes together, you can combine them inside your Emmet abbreviation. Step 2. Operators. Operators allow you to chain multiple elements and create child elements and siblings. Use the greater than symbol to define a child element. UL greater than LI, that will give you unordered list with the list item inside. Use the plus symbol to create a sibling element, meaning an element be on the same level of the hierarchy. But what if you want to go up one level in the hierarchy? For that, use the caret symbol, which looks like an upward arrow. It lets you to move up one level in the element hierarchy. As you can see, the button is at the same level as the UL, not inside it. These operators are especially useful when you already know the structure you want. For example, when building repeating sections like a navbar or footer. And, of course, you can create a big chain of elements by combining multiple elements with these operators. Step 3. Loops and index. Loops let you repeat parts of your code super quickly. For example, when building a navbar, if you want 10 list items inside a UL, you can simply add times 10 to the part you want to repeat. This will generate 10 LI elements. This is known as the multiplication operator. It works not just for plain elements, but also when they have classes, IDs, or other attributes. By default, Emmet repeats everything up to the last operator, but you can modify the repetition scope with parentheses. For instance, using the command without parentheses creates 10 LI elements, whereas wrapping part of the command in parentheses will generate 10 UL elements, each containing 1 LI. Parentheses essentially let you group parts of your abbreviation, controlling exactly what gets multiplied. Here's one of the coolest Emmet tricks you probably didn't know. You can use a built-in counter variable, the $sign, to auto-number elements. Let's say we want 10 list items, and each item has unique class names like item 1, item 2, item 3, and so on. Just type the $sign right after the class name, and Emmet will automatically number them for you. And that's it! I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And if I missed any useful shortcut drop it in the comments.